everyone, welcome back to my channel AI Promoters. Today we are diving into the exciting world of AI tools that are changing the content creation game. We will be exploring some powerful AI tools here. The first tool is ChatGPT. We call the ChatGPT and Bard as the titans of text generation. So, both are large language models capable of generating human quality text in various formats. ChatGPT. Here, it is a conversational style. It and creative writing capabilities, while Bard excels of factual accuracy and comprehensive knowledge. ChatGPT writes something whimsical and emotional, while Bard gives us a philosophical and introspective take. You can see the difference clearly here to the previous response given by ChatGPT and the response given by Bard. Okay, now Bing. It is also similar to the Chat GPT and Bard. We can use this, we can give the prompt here just similar to that, and we can get the output from that model. See, the output here is goes like this here. These are all the text generative AI tools. Now V.io. I think you have heard about this V.io. Now, let's talk about making your content truly engaging. It is an online video editor that empowers you to edit and enhance your video's ease, just as shown here. It has the vast library features. We can create professional looking videos without any technical expertise. Here we can get the text to speech. We can use any audios given in the library. We can have the subtitles as shown here for any video, and we can save the video. Now we can also the record video with our camera on only the screen, just like here. Here I'm sharing the entire screen. So in this way we can record any video with all the screen and the person who is narrating the video. Here we can also use AI avatars. You can select any one avatar like this and you can give the text. The video is generated like this. Now, the 11 Labs. Let's meet the 11 Labs. This platform specializes in audio editing and voice cloning technology. You can use it to clean up background noises, enhance your voice quality, and even create realistic voiceovers for your videos. Imagine wanting to add a voiceover to a video that sounds like a professional narrator. 11 Labs can help you achieve that with its powerful voice cloning technology. See, just by giving the text as input, we can get the output in different languages. You can check the languages what are all available here. Whatever the language you want the voiceover, you can get it by just giving the type. This is a voice library. We can get different types of voices here. Image creator. It was developed by built in Bing Chat and integrated with Microsoft Edge. It uses the latest DALI technology developed by OpenAI to generate images based on your text description. Simply type in what you envision, and image creator brings your imagination to life. Imagine. See here, I have just given a prompt to illustrate a scene where plants and animals are enhanced or even augmented by 5C technology, like that, something like that. The image generated is so beautiful. This is the power of an image creator AI tools. Thank you, everyone.